In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best bench power supplies available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the bench power supplies list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the bench power supplies mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, DC Power Supply Variable 30V 10A Bench Power Supply with Encoder Adjustment Knob. The DC Power Supply with Variable Output, 30V, 10A, offers precise control for bench applications. The encoder adjustment knob allows easy and accurate tuning of voltage and current settings. This power supply is a versatile tool for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike, providing the flexibility needed for experimental setups and testing scenarios. Its compact design and user-friendly features make it a reliable choice in the realm of adjustable bench power supplies. Number 4, DC Power Supply 30V10A Laboratory Regulator Switching Bench Power Supply. This laboratory-grade power supply provides a stable and adjustable output of 30V/10A, making it ideal for various scientific and electronic tasks. The regulator switching design enhances efficiency, while the adjustable settings ensure precision in voltage and current output. Its compact form factor and user-friendly controls make it a practical choice for both professionals and enthusiasts engaged in experimental work. Number 3, Nice Power 900W 1200W DC Power Supply Lab Bench Source. The Nice Power DC Power Supply stands out with its impressive power capabilities, ranging from 30V/30A to 200V/5A. With 900W to 1200W of power, it's a robust voltage regulator that offers customization options for diverse applications. The lab bench source features adjustable settings, making it suitable for a wide range of electronic projects. Its versatility and power make it a valuable asset in laboratories and engineering environments. Number 2, GVDA USB DC Regulated Lab Power Supply, 30V, 10A. The GVDA USB DC Regulated Laboratory Power Supply is a reliable choice for experimentation and bench work. With adjustable voltage up to 30 volts and a maximum current output of 10 amps, it provides precise control for various electronic projects. The USB interface adds convenience, and the stabilizer switch ensures a stable power source. This power supply is an excellent tool for professionals and hobbyists requiring accuracy and flexibility in their experiments. Number 1, Wanptek Adjustable DC Power Supply, 30V, 10A. This power supply from Wanptek features adjustable voltage and current outputs, with capabilities ranging from 0 to 30 volts and 0 to 10 amps. The lab bench power source is equipped with a voltage regulator switch, offering stability for various applications. Its compact design and user-friendly features, including an encoder adjustment knob, make it a versatile choice for electronic experimentation and testing.